Here's how you can make homemade spicy fries. So I've been making all these, so I used some butter on it to make it super sweet and good, and I put some more honey on it to make it so good, to make it so sweet and to make it so good. So I use it to cook it, and so yeah, and I use some barbecue sauce, honey, and some spices, and pour in, and boom, that's how I make it. But listen, kids, make this at home. It's very good. Taste it. Taste it. It's delicious. So you see this, you are your famous food cookers. That's how I make it. Boom. And boom. If you put it in the air fryer, cook it at home, okay, kids? All you gotta do, just mix it. Just scoop it up some more. Scrape it up. And then scrape it up. And then scrape it up. This one scraped up. But this one scraped up. And then I'll put some salt on it. And make it super sweet and good. And I'll put it in the air fryer for about a couple minutes. I'll wash it off. That's how you make your own spicy McDonald's food, okay? So I used to be the best cooker. Oh, come on. But anyways, I used to be the best cooker of my life, and I used to be a lucky kid, you know? I just be lucky. I watched the Minecraft movie, but it was good though. But anyways, just a happy one, a happy one, a happy one, and I always be a happy one all day. And that's how you make your own food, okay? Your homemade food. Wait till it get cooked, wait till the butter melt, and enjoy.